Dumpster rental service, Webb City, Missouri. Are you managing a major cleanup or construction project in Webb City, Missouri? S&E Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC is here to simplify your waste disposal needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing construction debris, we've got you covered with dependable, affordable solutions. Our team offers a wide range of dumpster sizes to suit any project, from small cleanups to large-scale construction jobs. We pride ourselves on providing fast and friendly service, ensuring that your waste removal process is hassle-free. With flexible scheduling options, you can choose the delivery and pickup times that best fit your schedule. At S&E Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC, we prioritize eco-friendly practices by responsibly disposing of waste to minimize our environmental impact. Not sure what size dumpster you need? Our knowledgeable staff is just a phone call away, ready to guide you to the perfect solution for your project. Call S&E Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC today at 417-221-3776 to book your dumpster rental and experience the convenience and professionalism that sets us apart. Let us help you keep your project on track with top-notch dumpster rental services.